Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare wheatgrass at home. First, let's get those seeds ready. You'll want to soak about 1 cup of organic wheatgrass seeds in 3 cups of cool water. Let them sit for 8 to 12 hours, ensuring they are completely covered. This crucial first step kickstarts the germination process. After soaking, give them a good rinse to prepare them for the next stage. It's a simple start to a rewarding journey. Once your seeds are soaked, it's time for them to sprout. Drain them well and place them in a sprouting jar or tray for 1 to 2 days. Remember to rinse them twice daily until you see tiny sprouts, about 1/8 of an inch long. Next, prepare your growing tray with about 1 inch of good quality organic potting soil. Gently spread your sprouted seeds evenly across the soil surface, ensuring good contact for growth. Now for the growing phase. Lightly water your planted seeds every day, making sure the soil stays moist but never soggy. Place your tray in a spot with indirect sunlight or under a grow light. Over the next 7 to 10 days, you'll see your wheatgrass grow beautifully. When it reaches a height of 6 to 8 inches, it's ready to harvest. Simply cut the blades just above the soil line with clean scissors. Finally, the best part, juicing your fresh wheatgrass. First, give your harvested wheatgrass a good rinse under cool water. For the best results and to extract the most nutrients, use a slow masticating juicer. This type of juicer is excellent for leafy greens. Once juiced, pour your vibrant green shot and enjoy it immediately. Fresh wheatgrass juice is packed with goodness, offering a fantastic boost to your well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.